Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on FXTrading.com. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. FXTrading.com is an Australian-owned, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, metals, indices, and commodities. Their accounts feature standard and pro accounts with lower spreads, leverage, and no additional fees. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the chat button at the bottom right of the homepage here. Submit your name, email address, and your message. A support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with FXTrading.com. Firstly, head over to their website at FXTrading.com. On their homepage here, on the left side of the page, you will see Open Live Account or 30-day free trial. Click on 30-day free trial. Next, submit your name, email address, contact number, and your country of residence. After you have submitted your account information, you will see "Thanks for submitting your demo account." What you'll want to do next is download the MetaTrader platform for your preferred operating system. Download and install MetaTrader 4. After you have installed MetaTrader 4, simply click on the FXTrading.com demo server and then log in with the account credentials that have been sent to the email address you provided. And just like that, we're in. This is a FXTrading.com demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either candlestick, line, or bar charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right side of the chart types buttons. To open a selected chart window into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch. This displays all the currency pairs that FX Trading provides. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window for your preferred currency pair, simply right-click on the pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window for your selected currency pair, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. If you would like to add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the pair into its own chart in the center of the dashboard here. To add a quick buy and sell or one-click trading window to your newly added chart, simply right-click anywhere on the chart and click on One-Click Trading. You can use the one-click trading window to make quick buy and sell orders on any instrument directly from the chart window. And at the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs which we have added into their own chart windows. You can easily switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help panel at the top left of the dashboard here. This will then display a few video tutorials and a Help Topics Center, which delves into various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. FXTrading.com features their very own trading blog, news, and educational panels for you to browse through as you please. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider taking absolute responsibility for your own trading activities. Many traders, beginner and experienced alike, will sometimes lose capital and then have the thought that the markets are out to get them, simply blaming the volatility for their own mistakes. One key point here is to think about taking the responsibility to be able to constructively criticize your own mistakes and methods, with the sole purpose of learning from the mistakes which were made. However the markets go, in your favor or in a complete downward spiral, being able to have a clear mind while pointing the blame finger only on oneself, with the aim of improving future trading methods, can go a long way. Asking questions such as, what exactly went wrong? How can I improve myself in order to not make the same mistake twice? And do I need to alter and evolve my strategy and plan? Asking these questions without blaming anyone else but yourself as the trader can be productive in a sense that gains experience in the markets, while keeping a calm and clear mind, with the main aim of improving, can be one step to becoming a more successful individual trader. And that's how to open a demo account on FXTrading.com. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. And as always, good luck.